Hey, what's up? This is Soul Star is Born, or Rich, whatever which one you want to call me. I don't really give a damn. It's all good. Today I'm going to show you a design I did based off today's trailer for Cruella, starring Emma Stone. And excuse me, like I got a little extra thing in my chest here. That's my little mic. And by little mic, I mean big mid-sized mic because I have no little mic. Yay me and terrible equipment. Anyway, first off, I'll show you this. This is what I did earlier. I did a whole video on this right now, as you can see. I had one ready, and then it didn't record jack squat, so I feel stupid. So I decided to just say, screw it, I'm gonna do the whole thing over again, but different. This is the original design. I give it little dots, halftones, we have to call it. And that's Cruella DeVille in all her fineness and glory. It came out alright. But I said I can make it better than that. So, this is what I did instead. As you can see, speed up a little bit. I started the sketch. I looked at a picture of Emma Stone herself and kept it close to the Cruella design that they had. Which, by the way, I'm interested in seeing that. I'll probably go watch it. Maybe. We'll see. I am curious how she became a complete total bitch. It's interesting. And yeah, as you can see, that's all me and sped up real time right there. So I'm drawing a sweater, and I like this little lip bite. See that little lip bite? See that? And yeah, I'm interested to see the movie when it comes out eventually. May I think might do a review on that. I don't know. We'll see. And I'm putting in the colors, making it look nice and sexy and all that. She got her shoulder out, all pouty and shit. And excuse me about saying the terrible naughty language. I'm a big boy. I say naughty language sometimes. Sorry about that. And color the hair, lips. I'll do the coloring real quick. See that? Like a black Bob Ross, but no wet on wet oil painting. That's okay. That's me. And make sure to give a little extra stuff in there, the shading, coloring, shadows, all that. Make sure it looks all nice and all that. And yeah, there you go. Basically, Emma Stone style Cruella. I just add one little thing, which is the halftones, because I love using that. And it came out pretty well. I like it a lot. And in case you want to see the full thing, it's just right here. There it is. Boom, right there. All its glory, all its halftone glory. I made sure to give it as much detail as I could on the face and mostly the shading and the chest of her little sweater thing I made up very quickly. And yeah, that's really it. And I hope the movie does not suck because if it does, I'll be really pissed off. Yeah, I will be very pissed. But let's see. Maybe they'll make it good. I'm a little curious how it's going to go. And feel free to talk about it in the comments if you want to. I don't care. Like I said before, I don't care too much about YouTube. I just don't care. But I don't mind doing this. This is actually fun. Alright, that's all I want to talk about today. I hope I wasted your time in a good way. Anyway, you take care, and I'll catch you later. Peace out.